Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Dremel Saw Blades is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional craftsman, offering unparalleled precision and efficiency for a wide range of cutting tasks, from intricate detail work to demanding demolition projects, making it an essential addition to your toolkit for achieving professional-grade results with ease and confidence. Number 5. LEILUO 158 PCS Multitool Blade Kit. Meet your new essential tool kit, designed for efficient cutting and grinding. It handles everything from daily tasks to precision work with ease. Experience superior wood cutting with our Japanese teeth blades. They offer enhanced sharpness and durability for a smoother, faster cut. Tackle deep cuts confidently using our unique semicircular titanium-coated blade. Its design ensures stability and better material conformity. Achieve perfect results with built-in scale marks on blades and sandpaper. They guide you for more precise cutting and polishing. Keep your workspace tidy with the included reusable storage bag. It helps organize your accessories and saves valuable toolbox space. Our blades feature a universal interface, compatible with most major oscillating tool systems. Please check compatibility details for specific brands. What we like. This kit offers a wide range of blades and sandpaper for various tasks. It includes scale marks for precise cuts and sanding. If you need a comprehensive set for diverse DIY projects and appreciate the convenience of having everything in one organized bag, this is a great choice. What people say. The blades are sharp and cut through wood cleanly. These blades are very durable and last a long time. The variety of blades included in the set is great for different types of cuts. Number 4. FOXBC 3-inch Carbide Circular Saw Blade 3-pack. Experience exceptional cutting power with this 3-inch Carbide Circular Saw Blade. Designed for efficiency, it makes quick work of various materials. This blade is engineered to handle wood, plastic, PVC, acrylic, and aluminum with ease. Its versatility makes it a go-to tool for diverse projects. It's compatible with many popular brands and models, including Dremel, Rigid, Milwaukee, Ryobi, DeWalt, and Works. You can rely on its broad compatibility. Crafted from high-density tungsten carbide, it offers superior toughness and wear resistance. Enjoy a long service life and consistent performance. The ultra-thin kerf design ensures fast, clean cuts with minimal effort. Achieve smooth, accurate results every time, enhancing your control. This blade is perfect for both job site framing and high-quality finish cuts. It delivers the smoothest, fastest, and most accurate results on various lumber and siding materials. What we like. This blade is made from high-density tungsten carbide for durability and features an ultra-thin kerf design for fast, clean cuts with less power. If you're looking for smooth, accurate finish cuts in wood, plastic, or aluminum and want a blade that offers a great balance of speed and longevity, this 3-pack is ideal. What people say. The blades fit, they cut very well. The saw cuts through wood like it's butter. Perfect fit for my cut-off tool and cut through wood without a problem. Number 3. QISF 16 PCS HSS Saw Blades Rotary Tool Circular Saw Blade Set. Introducing a 16-piece set of high-speed steel saw blades designed for precision cutting. This versatile tool is perfect for a wide range of materials. Effortlessly cut through wood, aluminum, brass, plastic, copper, and laminate with these multi-purpose blades. Achieve clean and precise results every time. Whether you're working on carpentry projects, crafts, or DIY tasks, this set is your go-to solution. It's perfect for workshops, warehouses, and home use. Crafted from strong HSS high-speed steel, these blades are built for durability and firmness. They are designed to withstand demanding use. This comprehensive set includes blades in 6 different diameters: 22 mm, 25 mm, 32 mm, 35 mm, 44 mm, and 50 mm. It also comes with 1/8 and 1/4 mandrels. You'll receive a total of 16 pieces in this package, including multiple blades of each size and 2 mandrels. Everything you need for your cutting tasks is right here. What we like. This set provides multiple HSS circular saw blades in various diameters, along with mandrels for rotary tools. If you're a hobbyist or DIYer who needs a variety of small circular blades for detailed work in wood, plastic, or soft metals, this 16-piece set offers good value and versatility. What people say. The blades are sharp and cut through wood cleanly. These blades are very durable and last a long time. The variety of blades included in the set is great for different types of cuts. Number 2. FOXBC 3-inch 24T Carbide Circular Saw Blade 3-pack. Experience efficient and clean cuts with our 3-inch Carbide Circular Saw Blade. Its 24-tooth design is perfect for a variety of materials. Effortlessly cut through wood, plastic, PVC, acrylic, and aluminum. This blade is designed for optimal performance on diverse projects. Designed to fit seamlessly with popular brands like DeWalt, Dremel, Ryobi, and Milwaukee. Enjoy broad compatibility with your existing tools. Achieve faster, cleaner cuts with less effort. Its ultra-thin kerf requires less power, giving you better control and a smoother finish. Crafted from high-density tungsten carbide, this blade offers exceptional toughness and wear resistance. It's built for long-lasting durability and reliable performance. Keep your cut-off saw performing at its best. This blade ensures clean, precise cuts for professional quality results on every job. What we like. Featuring 24 teeth and a carbide construction with an ultra-thin kerf, this blade is designed for fast, durable, and clean cuts. If you prioritize efficiency and a smooth finish when cutting wood, plastic, PVC, or aluminum, and want a blade that requires less effort from your tool, this 3-pack is a solid option. What people say. The blades make a good clean cut if you have steady hand while cutting. Blade Seller does provide a bushing for each blade, so that this blade can be used with a 3/8 shaft. Works well with saw good fit long-running cuts. Number 1. PETOX 159 PCS Oscillating Saw Blades Kit. Introducing the PETOX 159-piece Oscillating Saw Blade Kit, your ultimate solution for a wide range of cutting and sanding tasks. This comprehensive set is designed to help you accomplish different jobs efficiently, whether at home or in the workshop. Featuring a universal interface system and extra adapters, these blades are compatible with over 95% of oscillating tools on the market. You can trust them to work seamlessly with your existing equipment, offering unparalleled versatility. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel and alloy steel, these blades are 50% harder than ordinary ones. They are built to withstand tough cutting tasks, offering corrosion resistance and a long service life for consistent performance. Achieve accurate cuts with ease thanks to the precision scales on both sides of the blades. The specially designed long wavy teeth ensure faster, cleaner cuts in wood and plastics, making your work more efficient and precise. PETOX is committed to providing you with superior quality products and excellent service. We stand by our offerings and are always here to assist you with any questions or concerns, ensuring your satisfaction with every purchase. What we like. This extensive kit includes 159 pieces, featuring high carbon steel blades with precision scales for accurate cuts. If you need a vast array of accessories for various oscillating tool tasks, from cutting to sanding, and value precision in your work, this large value set is designed to meet a wide range of needs. What people say. These are exactly as advertised. They fit perfectly as advertised. Perfect for cutting out moldy drywall and plywood. Held up no problem. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.